I'd rather be than on my surfboard out at sea, lingering in the ocean blue. And if I had one wish come true, I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon. Ah, wiki wiki, my lohi lohi, now my aiko papa hey nahu, flying by on a Hawaiian roller coaster ride.
Thank you. Welcome to Disney's Polynesian Village.
Trying to catch a flight out to Hawaii, drinking coconuts all night. We're all trying to ride.
Joffrey's Kona blend. Got our room number. We're heading up to the Fiji building. We're going to check into our resort. We're staying here at the Polynesian.
Flying by on a Hawaiian roller coaster ride.
To the right, a little wet bar. Got a large closet here. There's 2 places to hang your clothes. For your coffee. And a fridge. Right, and to the left here, we have the bathroom. Great lighting. Bath products. These turtle wallpaper. So pretty. Toilet. Shower here. There's no mirror. We have a cosmetic mirror though. Bathroom shoes. This bedroom is huge. Beautiful. Hidden Mickey right here on the sand. A roll-away table. That's nice. There's a tiki man. The pull-out sofa. We have a garden view. This balcony is huge. This is our view. You can see the Grand Floridian.
Special monorail.
First time at the Polynesian. This is so exciting. This is honestly a dream come true.
Your honest opinion.
There's my little brother. Relaxing. We're on the monorail, so we can get to Magic Kingdom and Epcot real easy. Food, I think we're gonna go eat at Captain Cook's for lunch. Got some nice lights. And we do have Ohana for dinner. This is the perfect Polynesian backpack. Dole Whips. We're heading to Captain Cook's. We're gonna go have quick service lunch. We'll see you there.
Wiki wiki my low he low my Iko Papa he Nalu. Flying by on a Hawaiian roller coaster ride.
Should we take the long way?
Why? Okay. Yeah, we're not hungry. We went inside, sat in, easy. Sure. Why not?
We're heading to Flower and Garden Festival.
I don't know if it's that way or that way, but
I think it's this way. We're heading for a fast pass for Living with the Land. We haven't been on it in a very long time. So, Living with the Land is right in the Land Pavilion.
Of all the forces at work on the land, humans have had one of the most profound, are exploring innovative ways to produce bountiful harvests now and into the future. The tropics are home to the greatest diversity of plants on the planet. Many of these, like papaya, bananas, cacao, coffee, and rice, are well known around the world. These are just a few of the edible plants that have been an important source of nutrition for people living in the tropics. Many are rich in vitamins and minerals. The sustainable system we're using here recycles the water in the tanks. As a result, we're able to save
Thank you.
Not a problem. As usual, got rained out of Epcot. Every single time I go to Epcot, it rains. I went Festival of the Arts, it rained. I went to Flower and Garden, it rains. My sneakers are soaked. And we're back at the Poly. We're gonna get ready and we're gonna eat at Ohana. We'll see you there.
I'm wearing my Discover the Magic sweatshirt. It's about 55 degrees. The temperature dropped drastically. It was what, 85 degrees today? So we're walking over to the Great Ceremonial House, off to Ohana. I'm gonna check in. I'm excited to eat.
There's no place that I'd rather be than on my surfboard out at sea, lingering in the ocean blue. And if I had one wish come true, I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon. My eye go pop by in Nauru, flying by on a Hawaiian roller coaster ride.
We're devouring this skillet. Ohana is so delicious. Thank you so much.
Pineapple toasted red cream or that caramel banana sauce on top. Awesome.
Place that I'd rather be than on my surfboard out at sea, lingering in the ocean blue. And if I had one wish come true, I'd surf till the sun sets beyond the horizon. I wiki wiki my lohi lohi lao, my eye go pop by.